In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to anchor in Squarespace. Whether you're creating a brand new website or enhancing your existing one, knowing how to set up anchor links can be incredibly useful. These links allow visitors to jump to specific sections of a page, giving them a seamless browsing experience. Let's walk through this process together. To start off, we'll need to head over to Squarespace. Navigate to the Squarespace website. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the Get Started button. This is your cue to dive in, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking Get Started, you'll be taken to your dashboard, a hub for managing your website. Here, you'll see an option called Edit Site. Clicking this will allow you to make the necessary edits and adjustments to your web pages. It's like opening the door to your own creative workspace. Now it's time to focus on the specific section of your site where you want the anchor link to appear. Find the section and click on Edit Section. This is where you'll be able to tweak the details. Look under the Design tab. This is your toolbox for creating visually appealing and functional sections. As you scroll down, you'll find the Anchor Link option. This is the moment to decide on a unique identifier, or slug, for your anchor link. This slug will be a simple word or phrase like "About Us" that defines the section. It's crucial to be clear and descriptive with this, as it helps not only with navigation but also with SEO. With your slug chosen and entered, notice there's a copy link icon next to the anchor link URL. Click this icon to copy the anchor link. This simple step is crucial because in the following steps, you'll link this URL to your desired text or element. Next, decide which text or element you want the anchor link to be associated with. It could be a button, a piece of text, or an image. By highlighting or selecting this element, you can go ahead and click on the link icon that appears, often resembling a little chain. When you click on it, you'll have the opportunity to paste the previously copied URL into the designated field. Finally, once you've set everything up and you're sure it's how you want it, don't forget to click Save. This ensures all the changes and additions you've made are stored. Saving your work is always the last, but vital step to keep everything you've worked on secure and in place. And there you have it. You've now successfully added an anchor link to your Squarespace site. This tool is an elegant way to improve user navigation and make your site even more engaging. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy anchoring!